Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover a big free SEI airdrop that I think you must do because we are almost there with this project. This project is called Yaka, and like always in my videos we are going to cover a little bit about this project, this airdrop, why the SEI ecosystem is very important, and I'm going to give you step by step and showing you how to do it step by step, how you get this airdrop. Yaka is going to be one of the leader protocols in the SEI ecosystem regarding DeFi, so I think having an airdrop of this project is going to position you very well for the next bull run on the SEI ecosystem. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, the Yaka team embarked on a mission to create an innovative DeFi product focusing on a launchpad and a versatile DX. The goal of Yaka Finance is to develop a solution that seamlessly complements SEI's capabilities through amplifying its aspect on the DeFi landscape. Very important thing of the tokenomics is that the initial supply of Yaka is only 200 million. You can check that in the documentation of the project. So in the website you have the documentation link, and there in the initial supply you can see how the tokenomics is. 200 million only for the initial, but they have an emission that is not super big in terms of inflation, but yeah, you are going to have emission of more tokens over the time, but in each epoch it's going to be less percentage. So I think the tokenomics is actually very good, and we are participating. There's a community percentage, 30% for the community, and we know that we are going to have an airdrop. The airdrop is confirmed. And also a very important thing is that the airdrop is free. You don't need to pay anything in order to participate for the free airdrop part. You can also check the Twitter at Yaka Finance, 56k followers already, a lot of information about the project and what is next here. So check it out and follow them so you are up to date with all the Yaka information. Now going to the step by step of this tutorial, some of the points are going to be steps that you need to do to get the airdrop, and other points are only information that you need to read. So the first step here is that you need to go and use the Yaka testnet. So here is the link. You just click the link and you're going to be redirected to the website. This is the website of Yaka. You have the swap, the liquidity, and you can see you have an airdrop section. Here you are going to see your total points based on the things that you accomplish on the testnet. Initially, you only need to focus on swap and enter liquidity with test tokens. So I'm going to show you how to do this. To participate on the testnet, you need to do step 2, which is get free SEI Faucet Tokens for the Yaka testnet. Also, the step 3 is another link where you can get more testnet tokens. So let's go and do that. So first, connect here your wallet. I am using Kepler for SEI ecosystem, but if you have Compass or Fin, you can also use those wallets. So once you are there, click there, copy your address. So here you can see your address, and copy your address so you can get the tokens there. Now you can click here on the Faucet button. That is going to send you here. This is the Atlantic 2 app on SEI, so you can get Faucet tokens. Here you have the Faucet part, and there what you need to do is paste your address here. And what you can do here is, if you are using Kepler, you cannot connect your wallet here, but you can connect your Discord. So connect your Discord there, and then put your wallet here, and click on next, and then click on request SEI here. You can do this only one time per day, so you can see your request has been added to the Quake. Wait a little more time until the Quake is executed, and now you can see your funds have been sent. So Faucet tokens have been sent on this. You also can use the other link on the step 3, which is the SEI Faucet Time Pro. And here is the same. I already claimed it, but here you can put your address. You can click on send. You can select here what you want to receive. Of course, select SEI, and this is testnet, and you can receive a little bit more of tokens for the SEI testnet here. So after doing step 2 and 3, we come back to step 1, which is we use the Yaka testnet. And what you are going to need to do here is swap different tokens. So for example, first of all, I'm going to send some SEI into Yaka. So let's say that I want to put 0.2 into Yaka tokens. So I will swap this first. The transaction fee down here is really high, so I will put it to low, which is 0.3 SEI, which is a lot in terms of testnet tokens. Click on approve and do this swap first. You will need to swap a couple of times to different testnet tokens in order to complete the first batch, which is this one. Complete swaps in 4 specific pools, and then you need to use those tokens to provide liquidity in 4 specific pools too. So swap a couple of times, and after doing that you go here to liquidity, you go to pools. You can see the different pools. You need to add liquidity in all these pools in order to get the batch. And if you go here, you can see my positions. I have it 4. So completing this liquidity is going to give you the second batch, which is this one, providing liquidity in 4 specific pools and completing swap in 4 specific pools. Those are the things that you need to do first of all in order to appear here and get these 2 achievements. Doing that is going to be enough. You can use the referral link that I share it, or you can share your referral link also in order to get a couple of more points for referrals. And you can see that the launchpad, the vote, the lock, and the incentivized part are saying coming soon. So complete the lock testing, the vote testing, and the launchpad testing. We cannot do this yet, so we need to wait on that. So complete the first 2 things in order to get that. And after you get these achievements, these milestones, you still can do some swaps and you will receive still points on your airdrop. So that is basically what you need to do for the testnet, and you can see that it's in the airdrop section. So doing that is enough. But I think it's very important to comment about the Voyager NFT of Yaka. So here is the link on the step 4 for the information and the utility of this NFT. Because having this NFT, you are going to be part also on a specific part of an airdrop. And you cannot be whitelisted now, you cannot be an OG, but you can still participate on the public sale that is very, very soon. So Yaka Voyager NFT features a maximum supply of 2,000 units, priced at 120 SEI during the whitelist round and 150 SEI during the public sale, which is at the time of recording around $170. The NFT holders are entitled to receive Yaka token airdrops, so this is besides the website, with a fixed total airdrop of 6 million Yaka tokens. Remember, 200 million is the initial supply. NFT stakers will receive a share of Yaka DX trading fees, so this is very important. You are going to get some passive income if you are one of the NFT stakers. That is why I think it's very important to get the NFT. And several snapshots will be taken to determine the final airdrop allocation. More details are going to be after. And the lower of quantity of NFTs minted, the greater the individual NFTs share of airdrops and trading fee in dividends. So remember, trading fee dividends, this is the most important part that I really like. You are not going to only get the airdrops that are guaranteed for having the NFT, but you are also going to get passive income from the trading fee dividends for having that airdrop. So more information about this you can find it here. If you are liking the video so far, please just take 1 second to click the like button. That'll help me a lot in the YouTube algorithm. And also, if it's your first time, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications so you don't miss any of my videos about airdrops and claiming airdrops, which is really important and not many YouTubers give you that information. And in the step 5 and 6, I put the links to the Discord official announcements of this. So one of those is that the whitelist allocation is closed, so you cannot do anything else. Unless you want from external giveaways, the best you can do is get involved with the testnet and the Zealy campaign and wait for the public if we make it there, or be ready snip secondary, basically to buy after in the secondary market. And the other link of Discord is this one. So the public phase for the NFTs is going to be on January 30. So it's next Tuesday. So I recommend you to get into this. I think Yaka could be a big project on the SEI ecosystem. And if you get dividends for the fees of the protocol, that could be awesome and a very important passive income that you could get. And if the project really succeeds, it's going to be an amazing passive income. Besides, you already are confirmed of a percentage of an airdrop too. If you want to read more about the NFT, here is the Twitter link with information also of the NFT. Here also mentioned that you are going to earn a portion of the fees, and it's explained here that you are going to get initially a part is the 15% for the first 3 months and permanently set at 10%. So 10% is a lot for all these NFT holders. So I think those royalties are very interesting to get that NFT. Step 8 is the official testnet information. If you didn't understand how to manage the testnet, you can use step 8. And step 9 is the Zealy task. If you have time and you want to involve here, probably some of the points here are going to also serve you for the airdrop, but it's not really confirmed. So if you have time, you can engage in many of these tasks. Basically are all related to social media tasks and some quiz. So if you have time, you can join there and get some points on the Yaka Zealy. Don't forget that I have my private Discord and my application that you can join me. I have a private Discord where we are killing it. We have a specific airdrop claim channels and we have been claiming more than 10 airdrops on the last 10 days. So it's a crazy season for claim airdrops, and maybe you are participating on many of those for using different protocols and you don't even know it. So please join my private Discord so you can access to all the information that we share there, new airdrops, claiming airdrops, meme coin airdrops, all about the airdrops, and also in crypto in general, crypto portfolios, 100x cryptos that we are investing, how to farm with multiple wallets, very important on airdrops, and we have a section for people that is new into airdrops and crypto. So you can join there and I'm going to be answering you all your questions with all the moderators and the amazing people in my Discord. So my Discord and my app is the things that you need for an airdrop hunter path. My app, you have a video down here, so you can check the video on how my app works, but basically it's going to help you to apply to airdrops and register all your progress to the airdrops, so you have everything very well organized and doing it in a very easy way. Even if you use multiple wallets and farming, you can use my airdrop for that. So that will be all for this coverage. A very important project on the SEI ecosystem. I recommend you to do it. You are still in time to participate on this free airdrop. And of course, the Voyager NFT, I really recommend you to pay attention to that because it could be amazing to get passive income of the fees on the protocol. Before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.